Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a JBL Charge 3 battery. First, gather your essential tools, including a small Phillips screwdriver and a plastic prying tool. Make sure you have a new, compatible replacement battery ready. Working in a well-lit area will help you clearly see all the small components and connections, making the process much smoother and safer for your device. Now, let's get inside your speaker. Begin by carefully removing the fabric cover. It usually peels off to reveal the screws beneath. Once exposed, use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew all the visible screws that hold the speaker's housing together. With the screws out, gently use your plastic prying tool to separate the casing halves, being mindful of any internal connections. With the speaker open, you'll see the battery. Carefully disconnect the old battery's connector from the circuit board. It's usually a small plug. Take note of how the old battery was positioned before you remove it. Now, insert your new replacement battery into the same spot, ensuring it's oriented correctly. Finally, securely connect the new battery's plug to the circuit board. Great job! Now it's time to put everything back together. Carefully align the two halves of the speaker casing and gently press them together until they snap or fit snugly. Reinsert and tighten all the screws you removed earlier to secure the housing. Finally, power on your JBL Charge 3 and play some audio to confirm your new battery is working perfectly. Enjoy your revitalized speaker.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.